Struggling with calendar events not syncing between your iPhone and Mac, or iCloud not updating your Apple Calendar across devices? That means you're probably missing meetings, getting duplicate reminders, or watching updates just disappear. It's frustrating, it's confusing, and it can wreck your schedule. But here's what's interesting. The fix isn't where most people think it is. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Apple Calendar sync issues, whether you're on iPhone, iPad, or Mac, so you can finally trust your schedule again and stop double-checking everything manually. Let's get into it. Let's start from your iPhone. Open Settings, click on your name, iCloud, tap See All under Apps using iCloud. Make sure iCloud Calendars is switched on. If it's already on, toggle it off, wait 10 seconds and switch it back on. This quick refresh often reconnects syncing that silently broke in the background. Now head over to your Mac, open System Settings, Apple ID, iCloud. Ensure iCloud Calendars is checked. If it's grayed out or says updating, your sync is stuck. Keep watching, we're going to fix that in the next step. On your iPhone, open the Calendar app. Tap Calendars at the bottom. Pull down to refresh. You'll see a spinning icon. On your Mac, open Calendar. Click View. Refresh Calendars in the top menu bar, or press Command+R. Still not syncing? Don't panic. This is where things usually go wrong. Here's something sneaky. Your events might be syncing, but to the wrong account. On iPhone, go to Settings, Apps, Calendar, Default Calendar. Make sure it's set to an iCloud calendar, not Gmail or Outlook unless you use those specifically. On Mac, open Calendar, Preferences, General. Look at Default Calendar. Make sure it matches your iCloud account. If these don't match across devices, events can appear to vanish. Fix this and you'll see your events start lining up within minutes. This is the part no one tells you about. If your date and time settings are off, your calendar can go out of sync without warning. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, Date and Time. Enable Set Automatically. On Mac, go to System Settings, General, Date and Time. Toggle Set Time and Date Automatically on App. Only try this if nothing else works. Warning, this will temporarily remove some data until it resyncs again, so only do this when you have internet access. On iPhone, go to Settings, click your name, scroll down, sign out, sign back in after a full reboot. On Mac, go to System Settings, Apple ID Overview, sign out, restart and sign back in. Once signed in, events will start to appear, sometimes within seconds, sometimes a few minutes. And that hidden setting I mentioned earlier, that's the default calendar one we fixed earlier. It's the root cause for most sync issues today. You fixed your Apple Calendar without waiting for a software update, without reinstalling anything, and without needing tech support. That deserves a win. Here's what smart users do next. Add a recurring calendar event for Apple Calendar Checkup every 3 months. Not only will it keep everything synced in the future, but it'll also save you from last-minute disasters when timing matters most. And if this helped, Mark this video as watched or save it to a playlist called Fixes That Actually Work so you have it on hand for next time. More fixes, smarter tools, fewer headaches. That's what it's all about. See you in the next one.